Hi, this is Rachelle at Scrapcraftastic, and I'm going to be working in my everyday planner, which is a B6 Stalogy. It is in this earth leather cover from MLG Co. I do have a discount code for MLG Co, and the link is in the description box below along with the code. I'm also going to be using an insert again this week. These are, I said in a previous video that those inserts were available in my shop. They are not available in the shop. I did design these specifically for me to use, and I forgot that. But I will be making these available to patron elites. So look for that to come in the next day or so. I'm going to be using this washi tape, this drip washi. This is actually meant for Christmas, but I want to use it for March and for St. Patrick's Day kind of looking spread. So I'm going to be using that. It is a black and green plaid with gold drip or gold foil drip from COCO'S Sticker Co. And then I also have this moon washi that is gold foil from Simply Gilded. I'm going to be using this florals book from Michael's. It's a hot buy sticker book, and it's floral from 2020. And then I'll be using a variety of digitals that are available to patron elites. So like the green numbers, some boxes, and then these florals are from CHELA Creates. I also have a discount code for CHELA Creates, and the link along with the code is in the description box below. So I'm going to set these aside. Then this is a new shop, and I'll be sharing more on this in What's New Wednesday. But I pulled these out of the package that I received to use for this spread. The shop opened February 1st of this year, and they have quite a selection. I'm really inspired to use these two for this week. The shop is Let's Get Planned, and like I said, I'll be showing you more of that on What's New Wednesday. But I'm going to be using these date covers and one of these dolls, probably the one with the plaid dress, because there's plaid washi. Not sure. Okay, so again, this is going to be somewhat of a lazy week for me. So these were the last two spreads that you saw. And then I did some writing there, and I accidentally skipped a page, but that's okay. I'm going to come back and do something Mardi Gras here, since today is Mardi Gras. And this is my intro page for March. I actually used my Tombows to letter this and draw the little greenery. And then I added some floral stickers from Caliber Plan. This bloom and these dolls are from Isis Ella Jewels. This is the same washi that I just showed you. And then I added the Stardust washi from Simply Gilded and a few flowers from the floral book that I showed you. And then this In Like a Lion, Out Like a Lamb, and March Winds. Those stickers are available to patron elites, and I think also patron plus. These were from last year March. There will be another kit coming out for March this year, so look for that as well. So I'm just gonna flip over, and I know I got shadowing here, but maybe I should put this on this side and use this side to decorate, do it different, because the last one, where is it, I put it on the right. So maybe I can put it on the left and then decorate over here. Let's try it that way. So I'm going to use my Scotch permanent dot runner or tape runner and add. And you don't have to use, don't tell me this is over already. Yes, it is. Okay, so that one pooped out on me. So let's use this one. I try not to use this one too much until I find out where I can get replacement tape for it. This is it's a Japanese tape runner dot liner. There's the information if you're interested, and I'll try to link to it in the description box below. But yeah, I don't know about getting refills for this, so, and it's not completely clear like the Scotch one. It's got like a blue tint to it. I'm not too crazy about that. Okay. So let's see. How do I want to line this up? Because I need room at the top and the bottom for my washi. Because that's the most important thing. Okay, I didn't do a great job of that. But, all right, so let's go ahead and put down this washi. And let's do the top. I could use the smaller one up top. Oh, I can't believe I got paint on my hands. So yeah, I was working on another project and I got a little gold paint on my hands. I have to see if I can scrub that out. All right. Where do I want to put the days of the week? So I'm going to use this bright yellow color. These are nice. I really like them. So should I do it like this? And then put the date on top. I think I will. So, and what is this week? This week is the 28th. Let me check my calendar. So this is February 28th through March 6th. I'm so happy that I got this package today because I really needed some inspiration to get me in the mood to planning or to plan, because it has been lacking lately. These are so nice. Great job, Let's Get Planned. Let's get on these dates. So let's start with the 28th. Now let's see, I want to put a couple of things from here. There was something that I saw. Here we go. I kind of wanted to use these in a way, but I'm not sure how. Let's see what boxes I have. This was from the Christmas kit that's available to patron elites. But this is, like I was saying previously, even though the kit is Christmas colors, these colors can be used throughout the year. So, and it's gonna work out great right here. And then let's see, let's use her. I think she's gonna go here. But before I put her down, I do want to do something like this. Okay, and then the CHELA creates flowers. Okay. Let's pop this down here. We're not even putting washi tape over here. Should we? I think we should. I mean, I'm going nuts with this washi tape, but I think it's so pretty. So I want to use it. So now let's go ahead and put these down. So let's go ahead and place her right here. This needs to be held down, so I'm going to use the moon washi for that. So let's put this on the washi graveyard. Let's put it right there. Okay, so don't forget to check out Let's Get Planned. So I'm going to put a mask here. Unfortunately, I don't have a small one. I only have this big-ish one. But not much is happening today, so it'll be okay. So let's put it like right there. On Tuesday, I did have something that said Mardi Gras. It's kind of big though. Let's see if I can get that in there. Let's try it. Why not? It's a lot of green going on there. Should I put the balloons too? I'll save the balloons for my Mardi Gras spread. Or I don't know what to call that. My journal page. Let's use one of these. Then here we go with the word stickers, most of which are from Piper Paper Company. I have a discount code for them, and the link is in the description box below along with the code. But these particular stickers are from Crafting by the Pound, and that's craftingbythepound.com. They have pretty awesome creative stickers, so check them out. Okay, so this week's sticker, I could grab a few other stickers out of here. Let's use a doctor's appointment on Wednesday. And let's do a cooked dinner. And I did a post office run. Let's get one of these Happy Meals. Post office run here. A grocery trip here. And then I'm gonna have a grocery trip here, probably. Let's put down trash day and laundry day, which is gonna be changed this week. Plan next week. Laundry day. These are from Piper Paper Company too. It was just their format previously, so. I'm gonna use just one of these green trash cans and place it right here. Okay, so that's it. A quick spread, quick, easy for the week of February 28th through the 6th. I use new stickers from Let's Get Planned. Again, all the information will be in the description box below. So that will be the doll and the day of the week covers. The date dots, this box, the checklist are digitals available to Scrapcraftastic Patron Elites. The This Week sticker is from Crafting by the Pound. These Square floral stickers are from the Floral Sticker Book. It's a Hot Buy sticker book from Michaels. The washi tape, the green washi tape with the drip is from Cookie Sticker Co. This moon gold foil washi that you can't really see that well is from Simply Gilded. These script stickers are all from Piper Paper Company, and the Mardi Gras mask are something that I just had in my stash. These large florals are from CHELA Creates. Everything that I can link will be linked in the description box below. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over at patreon.com/Scrapcraftastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. Visit my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, for craft videos and junk journals. You can find me across social media at Scrapcraftastic. Visit my website and shop at Scrapcraftastic.com. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.